breaking news that's coming in right at the top of this segment. TMC moving High Court against ED after I-PAC raids yesterday. Now, TMC plea has come out to state in High Court. Violation of fundamental rights. That's what's been cited by them. The TMC has alleged the violation of Article 19 and 21 of the Constitution, including the right to privacy and the right to participate in their free and fair elections. Colorable exercise of power, that is, the search and seizure under Section 17 of the PMLA is described as a colorable and malified exercise of statutory power not linked to any legitimate investigation. Now, interference with electoral process has also been cited. The action is claimed to impair and sabotage the West Bengal Assembly elections 2026, affecting the petitioner's campaign preparedness. Lack of nexus, the seized data allegedly has no proximate or casual link with any money laundering investigation. Illegal seizure without notice. TMC claims no prior notice or justification was given before the seizure of sensitive material. Fishing and roving inquiry. The ED is accused of conducting a roving inquiry, which is impermissible under the PMLA. So these are the sections that have been cited in their plea by the TMC, and they have said that it's a threat to democratic functioning, wherein the petition by the TMC argues that political parties are integral to a democracy and must be allowed to function without any coercion or intimidation. This has come in right after what exactly unfolded at both Pratik Jain's residence and post that at the I-PAC office, where the Chief Minister had come in and stepped right into an ED raid that was underway, took hold of documents which she claimed were essential and official party documents and refused to hand them over, alleging that the centre was misusing these agencies and that political parties have sensitive information that cannot be handed out just like that, which has also been cited in the sections that have been spoken about in this very TMC plea. Today, the I-PAC, the TMC, the ED, all of them are knocking the doors of the High Court. We are awaiting for that case hearing as well. And meanwhile, on the political side, we've seen how the centre has already, not the centre, but the BJP as a political party has already made allegations as to why and what is the Chief Minister hiding. The Congress has also questioned why does a sitting CM need to walk into an ongoing probe. And the TMC, on the other hand, has in fact come out to say that they will be organizing a march today from Jadavpur to Hazra. So these are the latest updates, summing up all that's been happening so far. Indrajit Kundu joining me on the broadcast with more details. Indrajit, certain sections that have been cited in this plea, but most important of all, the TMC has alleged that there is a fundamental right of speech and fundamental rights that's being violated at this given point of time, and democracy being threatened with raids of the kind that we saw yesterday.
Well, that's right. As we have been witnessing since yesterday, the Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee has actually, laid the foundation for the way the Trinamool Congress is going to take this fight. They are going to take this fight head-on two prongs. One, of course, is a legal battle which will be fought inside the High Court today. The Trinamool Congress has approached the High Court saying that their rights have been tampered with, that the raids were not on any other private organization. It was an extension of its political arm, its political office, the I-PAC, which is an authorized consultancy firm that is helping the party in the 2026 election campaign. And they have also alleged that the documents that have been seized by the Enforcement Directorate are nothing but their own party's political blueprint for the 2026 election, something that has got nothing to do with the alleged coal scam and its probe. This is the allegation, and therefore they are saying that the court must intervene. On the political front, the Trinamool Congress will take the same message out on the streets to its supporters, with Mamata Banerjee leading the protest march today. She has given this protest march call at about 2 p.m. in the afternoon, where she will be harping on the same lines.
Right.
That this is political vendetta, that central agencies are being used by the central government.
That's a narrative that the opposition has stuck to, Indrajit, for quite some time now, that central agencies being used by the centre at this given point of time right ahead of elections. Well, with that, we will keep our eyes on what happens in Bengal today.